welcome back to Rhoda Eats. And today I'm going to show you how to make my moist, delicious banana bread. And as you can see, I'm starting off with three beat up looking bananas, but that's when they're the sweetest anyways. Of course, use what you have. Just make sure you taste your banana for sweetness, so you'll be able to adjust the sugar accordingly. But yeah, I'm starting off with these three bananas, and please guys, remember that the measurements, the exact amounts of everything that I use is in the description box. I got you. I'm not gonna leave you out here, of course, so just remember that. And also, if you want to add nuts or berries or chocolate chips like I do, then you are free to do it. You are free to add whatever it is that you want to add in here. You do not have to adjust anything to accommodate the ingredients. All you got to do is add as much or as little of the nuts or the berries or the chocolate chips as you like. So I always take the little white thing out of my egg, and I like to dissolve my baking soda in there too. That way I make sure it's well incorporated, because sometimes I don't be mixing it well and then you get a piece of baking soda. Okay, and I'm gonna add the egg and baking soda to the butter. Please don't forget to look down in the description box and let me know what do you like in your banana bread. Are you a plain banana bread girl like I am? I mean, I do occasionally like chocolate chips in mine, but usually I like it plain. I like it warm with some butter, okay? But how do you like your banana bread? Do you like chocolate chip banana bread? Do you like cheesecake banana bread? Do you like blueberry banana bread? Let me know down in the description box. And also, if you ever try this recipe, please hit me up and let me know how you like it. I feel so proud that a lot of people have been trying my recipes and they are loving them. So if you try this one, let me know. And again, please guys, check the description box for the ingredients, okay? All right. So I am just mixing the flour cup by cup or half cup by half cup, whatever that measurement is, into the mixture. That way everything is well incorporated, because I'm using my hand. And as you can see, you don't need a mixer to do this. It's very easy and very simple to do. So that's just what I'm doing here. So after I get this mixed up very well, you're gonna see that I'm using my individual brownie tin very soon. But it's because my loaf pan, which I usually like a loaf because I like to slice them out, but doing it this way was very, very good too. It was a lot easier. I didn't have to cut a slice for my kids. I could just pop it out and give it to them. And yeah, so don't mind my choice of pan. It's really whatever it is that you have. You can use a cookie sheet. You just gotta wash them, because it'll be flatter. You can use a cake pan. I've done that too. I've used muffin tin. I just use whatever it is I could grab, whatever I feel like using. So make sure you grease your pan. I just use a bit of coconut oil spray, but use whatever it is that you have. Grease your pan and pop it into a preheated 350-degree oven. Okay, and depending on your oven, you just gotta watch them until they're done. Mine took about 35 minutes to get to the doneness that I like, the brownness. And do you see how they puff up? And y'all, I'm so obsessed with little cute finger bite-sized foods. They were absolutely cute and amazing and easy to eat. So yeah, these are some that I made already, you know, that TV magic that they talk about. And yeah, it's delicious, easy to make, and if you make it, please let me know. My Instagram link is in the bio, and I will see you again on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. See you guys next time.